plus the heat gun for $24.99. The kit that I have here, like I said, $44.99 on Amazon last time I checked. They have a 340 piece set, either just the connectors, or with the heat gun, $31.99, or I've seen just the 340 piece set between $19.99 and $16.61 on Amazon. So just wanted to throw out a few prices for you on this stuff. Little mini heat gun, I like it. We're gonna go ahead and go on high on this sucker, and like I said, we're gonna try this little attachment here. So, but yeah, if you've never used these, it does come with instructions, and if you need support, you can email them, support@haisstronica.com. There's that. Heat gun, if you don't want to get the solder sticks, get the crimping tool, and you can use the watertight heat shrink butt connector assortment. I don't even know where these are from, Harbor Freight maybe, but perfect example. What do you get, 10 of each or something like that, 30 altogether, and this is probably 10 bucks. So for 20 you get a heat gun and the solder sticks, and then you don't have to crimp. I don't know, depends on your application, guys. With this one, it's everything to do this whole job is just gonna be, the only tool I need is just some heat. It's gonna make my connections, it's going to have a watertight seal, and I'm just doing the shrink wrap over them just as a bonus to make it look pretty. So all right, we're on high, and you don't have to warm this up or whatever, guys. I was just doing it as I was talking. So these are basically, you just shove them in, like I said, and whenever you'll see the solder start to flow in the middle, I just kind of go like this, because I'm shrinking this tubing as well, and then you'll see that solder start to do some flowing, and when that does, you got a connection, and that is the end of that. So like I said, very nice. I do like that they're watertight, and they appear to be. As I've said, I did some underwater lighting in the pond and extended the wires. So there it is. One connection done. The solder has flowed. I'm just going over it now to make sure that my that it's fully sealed. So that is, let's just trace the power down. So power is coming in from our wall plug. We are going to, I'm going to put the kickstand up on this one. We're going to the switch, and I just got some different colored heat shrink here. So red will show that, make it easier on the customer just in case he has to do any troubleshooting, but red will show power coming into the switch, and black, the black heat shrink that I put on will show the power going out to the fan. Solder has flowed. Watertight connection has been made. There's number 2. Then our power goes out. He goes to our fan. Now we're going with our neutral wire. This is a 110 volt, 120 volt, whatever you want to call it, fan. So here we go. Heating him up. I do like this little attachment for this. Like I said, I've used it all week, but it's all been single wire stuff. I haven't had where I have another wire by me. So I'm glad I waited to post this video to actually use pretty much everything that they've sent me, and I've had a week to mess around with this stuff. So far so good. It is performed as advertised. I've never heard of this company either, but the Amazon reviews are like 4.8, 4.9 on everything. So I guess they've been performing as advertised for a little while, guys. So anyway, let's get that watertight there. The solder flowed. I hope that's picking it up. And our last one, last connection. So there's our power, there's our neutral power coming out, and let's do the ground. I don't think there's a wrong way to do this. Just don't hold it in one spot forever and burn through, I guess. But I haven't had any failures. I've extended speaker wires with these. There it goes. Solder's already flowing. Done. So now we're just gonna shrink that baby down, get that watertight seal. And there it is. Alright, moving on. Let's do some shrinking now, guys. First, we're going to go back to the first one. It's already cooled. And let's put some, this is the heat shrink from Haisstronica. I don't know if it's too big for this wire, but we're going to see how far it shrinks down anyway. This is the red one. Oh yeah. Forming right over that connection, guys. Perfect. This little mini heat gun is toasty, guys. This is on high still. On the next one, I'll run it on low. I'm sure it will perform on low as well, but I've just always been running it on high. So high makes it go faster, I guess. All right. Second little heat shrink guy here. Let's get him positioned here and shrink him on down. Oh yeah, guys, check them out, man. 20 bucks. Heat shrink, and that's worth it just for the solder sticks. And then if you want to spend 30 or whatever, get this little heat gun, dude. I like it. Throw it right in your bag. It's actually smaller than my M18 cordless heat gun, and like I said, if you've ever had cordless heat guns, they chew through batteries probably quicker than the cordless vacuum cleaners. So yeah, actually I know they do. I run the M18 8 amp hour Forge battery on mine, and I want to say you get maybe 10-15 minutes if you're lucky. So yeah, for something like this, yeah, unless you're just going to do a couple connections in emergency. But yeah, if you're going to sit here in the shop, or like I said, even in the customer's house, whatever, I got no problems plugging it in. But yeah, heat shrink, awesome. Let's move on. I don't want to keep you guys here all day watching me do some heat shrink. If it melts, if it shrinks one, it's gonna shrink them all, I'm assuming. But like I said, this is the Haisstronica heat shrink that comes in that kit. So let's go ahead and let's see how it performs on a non-Haisstronica brand. So we're just gonna test just the Haisstronica heat gun, and this is definitely the Harbor Freight. It's flat, it's creased, where the Haisstronica is perfectly round. So we're gonna go kickstand out and get this in position. But yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but the Harbor Freight's like creased because it comes in a flat pack. So at least in this case, even when they're flat, every one I've pulled out has been round. But let's see if it makes a difference. Alright, Harbor Freight heat shrink. Here we go with the Haisstronica heat gun. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It'll melt anything, guys. So, alright, there it is. Like I said, at the end of this video, I'll just throw in a bunch of clips of, if you guys want to see more of this stuff in action, that I've been, that I have been using it all week. And we'll put this video first, and then I'll throw a bunch of videos in at the end of this, just to show the various solder sticks that I've used. I know I've used every color on there, and I don't know if I have footage of every color, but I know I've used other ones besides red. I know I have video of that. And while I'm talking, I might as well shrink this last one down here. But I do like that Haisstronica. The tubing comes round, easier to slide over the wires for sure. And they're even labeled. It tells you the size, 3/16 or 4.8 millimeter is the tubing that I'm using on this. So basically, if you can slide it over the wire, it looks like it's going to shrink down there for you. So I need to get this end a little better here. Oh, it's right on the end of the connection, so that is going to be as far as it goes. All right, and this one is the 3.1 dual wall that came in the kit, so it's the bigger one. So let me set this down, get this in position. I was just going to test it to see if this bigger heat shrink will cover all of the connections at once, and it looks like it will. There it is. Yeah, plenty enough heat shrink in this kit. Like I said, 560 pieces, and the majority of it is solder sticks, which is awesome because I've never used them until now, and I'm starting to really enjoy them. I like crimping too. I like the crimping tool as well. It just depends on the application. But yeah, check them out, guys. HAISSTRONICA.com. I'll have an affiliate link, and that should do it for today. And like I said, I'll throw in video throughout the week of using all this stuff. But here we go. Just what the guy wanted. So he's got a rotary switch to turn off and on his fan, and everything has been done by Haisstronica. Yeah, everything has been done by Haisstronica, minus the actual wiring itself. One piece of heat shrink from Harbor Freight, and all we needed was heat. And like I said, thousands of uses for this little mini heat gun, and it is definitely hotter than a hair dryer, even on low. So check them out, guys. The packaging is incredible. Like I said, I'm gonna actually order their wire strippers, probably another couple sets of dies for this crimping tool, which I do have a video on. You can check that out. Affiliate links in the descriptions. Thanks for watching. Gray's TV and Appliance. We'll catch you on the next one. Crimping tool with push to release ratcheting. Check that out. So it was a set, and it came with the little have to buy 560 pieces, but 752 degrees Fahrenheit, or 400 is for 482. On the circuit board yet. Did use it on a evaporator. I didn't use it to defrost the whole compartment. I did just a couple, not to be part of the I don't know what, trying it out on that, but the whole kit, and the lights are still working. So alright, let's get to it. Haisstronica 560 piece solder stick and shrink tubing kit, and done. Happy with the products. Thanks, guys. Haisstronica, keep up the great work, and we love your prices.